So, but how this operations has come into existence, what are its origins, how it has evolved. So when we look at that, operations research first came into existence during the Second World War. At that point of time, especially Britain, it has engaged its scientists, engineers, physicists, biologists, various kinds of consultants, even researchers. It has invited people to to conduct the war operations most economically, because every country, when it is engaged in war, resources are very premium. In that case, they should use very sparingly, because once a resource is wasted forever, and the question of sovereignty is at stake. That is the reason what they did was, both Britain and America, but mostly Britain has actually took part in developing this kind of techniques or methods for war operations. That is the reason we find the name operations research. So the origins were existing. Later on, after 1950s, because after Second World War was over in 1943-44, then they started using these kind of methods or techniques to industry also. So gradually it has become an industry discipline. We find extensive usage of operations research in different kinds of industries, in all the functional areas of the industry.